Darling, you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? If you say that you are mine, I'll be here till the end of time.